Did you find any trouble or error while installing new Windows 11 operating system? Then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video you will see how to install Windows 11 for any unsupported PC. Currently I'm using Windows 10 and going to switch my system to Windows 11. So, first I will check the Windows updates in Windows settings. Let's check for the update first. As you can see, there is no any information prompted me regarding the new Windows 11 updates. It means by default my PC is not supporting to Windows 11 for updates. Otherwise, you will see a notification on meeting Windows 11 system requirements. Also, I can check my PC compatibility on Windows 11 by using the PC Health Checkup tool. Just type the Windows 11 and open the Windows 11 official website. The link is provided in the description. Once you open the page, all the way go down and you will find the option to download the PC Health Checkup app. It's free to download and install it in your system. The application will be launched after the installation is completed. Now click the Check Now button. It will evaluate your PC compatibility and show you the compatibility results. As you can see here, my PC didn't meet the requirements for installing Windows 11. But I will show you how to install without doing any changes in your PC by directly installing the system. Okay, let us close everything and search for Windows 11 download from Google. You can use the direct download link provided in the description. From the download page, download Windows 11 installation file in ISO format. Before download, select the Windows version and the system language. Now click on the 64-bits download button. Showing the total file size is 5.15 GB. Wait until the download is completed. Okay, now the file is downloaded already. Next, right-click on the zip file and select Extract to. Once the file is extracted, replace the appraisers.dll file in the Sources folder. You can download this file from the link provided in the description. Copy the appraisers.dll file and open the source folder from the extracted folder and replace it. Okay, now we are ready to install our system. Click on the Setup option. The window will request you to install the Windows 11 system in your computer. Just press Yes to continue to install. Wait the system to prepare for installation. Now click on the option shows Change on how Setup Downloads Update, and select the second Not Right Now option. Then click Next to continue the setup progresses. Accept the license terms and condition to continue further. Press OK button again. OK, now our system is ready. Install the system. Click the Install button. The installation will take time based on your PC and network connection performance. Now the installation is completed, and the system will restart with new Windows 11 updating progress.
If you don't have installed Windows 11,
try to use this method and let me know your feedback in the comments section. I hope this video was useful one for you. It would be great if you could return me the favor and help me to grow my channel by hitting the like button on that video. This little gesture will help me a lot. I wish you good luck, and hope to see you in the next video.